Magandang gabi. Hello. Konnichiwa. Jambo. Wadila mama na baba baba. Alright. As usual, it's me Masunga John, and today I'm going to cook Nilagang Baka. Wow. Nilagang Baka is a Philippine dish which is a beef dish. It's yummy. By the way, I have already boiled the beef. You can see it looks amazing. All right, so I boiled the beef with the ginger and some of the onions and the ginger, just half of it, and the whole black pepper. I added the whole black pepper. So now we are going to start cooking with the rest of the ingredients. By the way, here are the ingredients. Okay, patis as usual, cabbage, corn or maize, carrots, this is an optional one, potatoes, onions, string beans, and I have bichin or ajinomoto and Maggy cubes. Alright, now let's go straight to the cooking. Alright, on the fire, and I'm gonna put in the beef. Actually, it's beef with bones. I love beef with bones. So now I'm gonna start adding the ingredients. Okay, so I will start by adding the onions. I will add the onions. First, the onions. The onions, and let it boil for a few minutes. So next, I will add the maize. Okay, they might call it it's corn or maize. It's maize. So then I'm going to add the patis. Alright, and the Maggy cubes. The Maggy cubes. So I'm going to cover it for like 5 minutes. So next I'm going to add the potatoes and the carrots. Wow, it looks good. I'm going to add the string beans now, and the last one will be the cabbage. Wow, it looks good. So let me test. And the last one will be the cabbage. cover it for a few minutes. Alright, so we'll check if it's done. Okay. Vegetables soft now. Wow, it's done. This one is ready. So we're gonna turn off fire and it's time to taste. So the Nilagang Baka is ready. It's done, and this is Nilagang Baka. It's a beef dish. Wow, I love it. The taste. How about vegetables? The tenderness of the vegetables and the beef is soft. Soft. Oh man. This is fantastic. It's delicious. Ang sarap. Super masarap. Lahat masarap. But I think it's always good to eat it with rice. So I'm gonna take some rice with Nilaga. Alright, thank you for watching this video. Now please share, subscribe, comment and like this video, and I'm gonna give you more videos. Paalam, goodbye, kwaheri, Janem.